Glam Squad, it's your girl Jammy, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I got this glam look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to click the notification bell down below to notify you guys when I post a new video. So guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so first I am going to be using my eyebrow pencil to draw my eyebrows with. Okay guys, so now I am showing you my concealer brush that I'm going to be using to conceal my eyebrows with. Now I'm going to be using a blending brush to blend out the concealer. Now I'm going to be using my eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelid. And I am going to be blending it out with the same blending brush that I used before to blend out my concealer. Okay guys, so I am going in back with the same eyeshadow primer that I used before with a next concealer brush to shape out my cut crease that I want. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be blending out the eyeshadow primer. Okay guys, so now it's time to apply the rhinestones to my eyelid. I am going to be using eyelash glue and rhinestones. I think I get on Amazon or anywhere. I'm going to be applying some black liquid liner now. Okay guys, I know I'm going to be finishing the top part of my eyebrows with my foundation. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be applying the rest of the foundation on my face with a beauty blender. I'm going to start contouring my face with the same concealer that I used before. Okay guys, so now I'm going to blend out the concealer with the same beauty blender as before. Now I'm going to be using my translucent powder. Now I'm going to be using my contour palette to contour my cheekbone, my nose, and my forehead. Okay guys, then I'm going to be applying some mascara. Now I'm going to be applying my eyelashes. Now I'm going to be using my face powder palette to blend out the loose powder. Now I'm going to be using my setting spray to set my face, and then I'm going to be highlighting my face with my highlighter. Now I'm going to be lining my lip with a lip liner. Now I'm going to be applying some lipstick. Guys, I didn't like the shade, so I have to change it to make it darker. Now I am going to be applying some lip gloss over the lipstick. Okay guys, so it's time to apply rhinestones to my hair and my body. I am going to be using the same rhinestone that I used before on my eyelid and the same eyelash glue. Guys, at that point I was so tired because it was taking so long to finish. I have to apply them one by one. So you know how much hours that take? Hey Glam Squad, I'm finally finished, guys. Like, getting to the look. If you guys like, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell down below to notify you guys when I post a new video.